What's happening, Real World PDR? Let's take a look at two advanced lessons that just dropped this week. The first one we're going to take a look at here is this big, nasty, oil-canned mess. We're going to examine the Power PDR box and how best to use that in your PDR repairs. We'll take a look at some of the best new tools that are coming out, and you can even get a sneak peek of some tools that you've never even seen before. This content is so much more than you can find on YouTube or, frankly, any other online PDR training. Not only do you get to watch me repair this, but I also break it down for you step by step. I really try to demystify what PDR is all about. Watching it happen and being taught how to do it are two entirely different things. My team and myself have really narrowed this down and perfected the art of the online PDR training. Ask anybody who's a member. We've had members go from no experience to PDR to being full-time working techs on track for a six-figure income within 8 months. We have 20+ year veterans of the industry who are logged into realworldpdr.com who tell me every day how much value that they find in the lessons. Now, just because we're highlighting advanced lessons today in this video, don't think that we don't have an expansive library of beginner videos. We can take you from zero to fixing your first dent in the very first series. That's PDR 101. PDR 101 is just a one-time payment of $55. That is some of the best value in the industry. To go from nothing to fixing your first dent for 55 bucks, give me a break. But if you want the whole shebango, PDR Monthly has everything. That goes from PDR 101 all the way to lessons like this. Super advanced lessons. These are the legend makers. These are the things that get your name known in the PDR industry. And again, this is not just show and tell. This is step-by-step lessons, even on this advanced content. We're talking about dents that many would have considered impossible 5 years ago. I am showing in depth on the lessons at realworldpdr.com. Now, that's not the only benefit of being a Real World PDR member. We have got discount codes on top of discount codes on top of discount codes. Companies like Precision Dent Tools, Blem, Dead On Dent Tools, Revolution PDR Tools, Dent Stuff, the list goes on. A lot of these discount codes will save your monthly tuition alone. The value is there, the lessons are there, everything is there for you to become a successful PDR tech. Now, the question is, are you going to capture it? You can be one of the many who try and fail to teach themselves the art of PDR, or you can accelerate your learning process, guarantee your success by logging on to realworldpdr.com. We are home to the internet's best, no BS PDR training. There's a reason that most of the big names in this industry are supporting realworldpdr.com. Come try it out for yourself and discover the difference. And if you haven't yet, make sure to register for our 2-day event. It's our PDR workshop held right here at my shop, one of the many ways we are revolutionizing the way people learn PDR. Also, if you want to be the first to get the newest tools from Revolution PDR Tools, all pre-orders are going to be given to members of realworldpdr.com first.